We are covering PL-300 Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst. Our team is working hard to keep the content up to date. If you find this video helpful, please let us know in the comments. We really appreciate if you like and subscribe to our channel. To get the complete list of questions and answers, click on the playlist link provided in the description. You have the dashboard shown in the following exhibit. Kindly see the given exhibit carefully. You need to modify the dashboard to display as shown in the following exhibit. What should you do? Option A, create and apply a custom dashboard theme. Option B, change the colors of the visuals in the report. Option C, apply a dark dashboard theme. Option D, upload a snapshot image of the dashboard. Correct answer is option A. Next one. You need to create a Power BI theme that will be used in multiple reports. The theme will include corporate branding of font size, color, and bar chart formatting. What should you do? Option A, from Power BI Desktop, customize the current theme. Option B, from Power BI Desktop, use a built-in report theme. Option C, create a theme as PBI-Wiz file that and import the theme into the Power BI Desktop. Option D, create a theme as a JSON file and import the theme into the Power BI Desktop. Correct answer is option D. Next one. You have the Power BI report that contains one page. The page contains two line charts and one bar chart. You need to ensure that users can perform the following tasks for all three visuals. First, switch the measure used in the visual. Second, change the visualization type. Third, add a legend. The solution must minimize development effort. What should you do? Option A, create a bookmark for each acceptable combination of visualization, type, measure, and legend in the bar chart. Option B, edit the interactions between the three visuals. Option C, enable personalization of the report. Option D, enable personalization of each visual. Correct answer is option C. Next one. You have a clustered bar chart that contains a measure named salary as a value and a field named employee as an axis. Salary is present in the data as a numerical amount representing US dollars. You need to create a reference line to show which employees are above the median salary. Solution, you create a median line by using the salary measure. Does this meet the goal? Option A, yes. Option B, no. Correct answer is option A, that is yes. Next. You have a Power BI report that contains a table visual with the measured name revenue. The revenue measure returns value with range 0 to 5. You need to format the visual so that the revenue column displays a specific background color based on the value range shown in the table. Read the table. Which three actions should you perform in sequence in Power BI desktop? To answer, move the appropriate action from the list of action to the answer area and arrange them in the correct order. This is the given list of actions. You can read them. This is the solution. These are the three steps in the correct order. Moving to our next question. You have the Power BI report, contains 4 pages. All the pages contain a slicer for the field name country. You need to ensure that when a user selects a country on page 1, the selection is retained on the page 2 and page 3. The solution must prevent page 4 from being affected by selections on the other pages. What should you do? Option A, remove a country slicer from page 1, page 2 and page 3. Add a country field to the page level filters. Option B, remove the country slicer from page 1, page 2 and page 3. Add a country field to a report level filter. Option C, move the country slicer from page 2 and page 3 to page 1. Option D, sync the country slicer to page 1, page 2 and page 3. Correct answer is option D.